slow down. Relax. What's your name? Heather? By you. Are you just gonna grab him? You got it? I'll electrify your arm. You won't be able to open your hand. We can do this, Heather. Remember that game called Barrel of Monkeys? That's what we're gonna do.
18,000 feet.
Come on, people. Everybody grab your monkey. Nice.
10,000 feet.
Number for this telephone is in your cell phone. Exciting, isn't it? Imagining how it got there. America. If your president calls me in the next half minute, Tom lives. Go.
Check the heart, is it the brain?
No sign of cardiac anomaly or unusual brain activity.
Okay, so it's poison?
My diagnosis is that you've experienced a severe anxiety.
This is what I'm talking about, the glitch.
Have you checked the telomerase algorithm?
The what?
We're good. You're right on me. I made it. All right, I think we got this. Send them all.
Cool, will you, Jarvis?
I'm the best.
Military waited till the friendly Cheyenne braves had all gone hunting. Waited to attack and slaughter the families left behind. And claim their land. 39 hours ago, the soldiers were out on maneuvers. The braves were away. President Ellis, you continue to resist my attempts to educate you, sir.
Jarvis, where's my flight power?
Working on it, sir. This is a prototype. Sir, the suit is not combat ready.
Next attack on the U.S. involves cheaply made sportswear. I think you messed up again. It's my pleasure.
7, I've acquired the Patriot armor.
You want this suit? You're gonna have to pry my...
got? Cheap trick and a cheesy one-liner?
Sweetheart, that could be the name of my autobiography.
Phone. Beep, beep. Huh. Yep. Damn it. No can do. You want to just kiss it on the facial slit?
Well, why don't I run down to the garage and see if I can't find a crowbar to jimmy that thing open?
Crowbar, yeah.
Honestly, I hate working.
Not this time.
Not the face.
Whew, it's good to be back. Hello, by the way.
Oh, hello, sir.
Crap.
Tony.
Brody, tell me.
You, move! Get out! Room is secure. I have eyes on the Mandarin.
What's this? I had winners.
Power down!
Sir, I've located Miss Potts.
About time. See what happens when I hang out with my ex-girlfriends?
You're such a jerk.
Yep, we'll talk about it over dinner. Come on. A little more, baby.
Is this guy bothering you?
Don't get up.
Ooh. Is it hot in there? I think you should close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You don't want to see this.
Yeah, you... Give me a suit right now! Come on!
Okay. Brace yourself! President is secure, Tony. I'm clearing the area.
Nice work.
Ready, sir?
On the roof. Whatever. You really didn't deserve it. Jarvis, do me a favor and blow Mark 42.
No more false faces. You said you wanted the Mandarin. You're looking right at him. It was always me.